Ever felt like your appointment book is more of a battleground than a scheduling tool? Like you're constantly juggling calls, texts, and sticky notes, just trying to keep your business afloat? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, managing appointments efficiently is crucial. Whether you're a hairstylist, a massage therapist, a personal trainer, or any service-based business owner. But what if there was a way to streamline your scheduling, reduce no-shows, and even boost your revenue all from one place? That's where Square Appointments comes in. Today, we're diving deep into how this powerful tool can transform your business, taking you from appointment chaos to organized success. Let's face it, traditional appointment booking is a headache. You spend valuable time on the phone, manually entering appointments, and sending reminders that often get lost in the digital abyss. This not only wastes your time, but also leads to missed opportunities and frustrated clients. Imagine a world where your clients can book appointments 24/7, receive automated reminders, and even pay online, all without you lifting a finger. That's the promise of Square Appointments. Before we jump into the how-to, let's set the stage a bit. Square isn't just a payment processor. It's a comprehensive business management platform, and Square Appointments is a key piece of that puzzle, designed specifically for service-based businesses. It's built to simplify your scheduling, client management, and payment processing, all in one integrated system. So, how does it actually work? Let's break it down step by step. First, you'll need a Square account. If you don't have one already, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're in, you'll find the Appointments section in your Square dashboard. This is your command center. The first crucial step is setting up your services. This is where you define what you offer, the duration of each service, and the pricing. Square Appointments allows you to create detailed service descriptions, add photos, and even categorize your services for easy navigation. For example, if you're a salon, you might have categories like haircuts, coloring, and styling, each with its own set of services and pricing. Next, you'll need to configure your staff. If you have multiple employees, you can add them to your Square Appointments account and assign them specific services. This allows you to manage individual schedules and track performance. You can also set staff availability, including days off and vacation time, ensuring that your online booking calendar accurately reflects your team schedule. Now, let's talk about the booking calendar. This is the heart of Square Appointments. You can view your schedule by day, week, or month, and easily add, edit, or reschedule appointments. The calendar is color-coded, making it easy to identify different services and staff members. One of the most powerful features of Square Appointments is online booking. You can create a custom booking website that allows clients to schedule appointments directly from their computers or mobile devices. This eliminates the need for phone calls and manual booking, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. You can also embed your booking widget into your existing website or social media pages, making it even easier for clients to book appointments. Automated reminders are another game changer. Square Appointments allows you to send automated email and text message reminders to your clients, reducing no-shows and ensuring that everyone stays on schedule. You can customize the timing and content of these reminders, ensuring that they align with your brand and communication style. Payment processing is seamlessly integrated into Square Appointments. You can accept payments online, in person, or even through your booking website. This makes it easy to collect payments and track your revenue. You can also set up recurring payments for subscription-based services. Client management is another key feature. Square Appointments allows you to store client information, including contact details, appointment history, and notes. This helps you build stronger relationships with your clients and provide personalized service. You can also use client data to track trends and identify opportunities for growth. Let's get into some of the more advanced features. Square Appointments offers a variety of customization options, allowing you to tailor the system to your specific needs. You can create custom fields for client information, set up custom notifications, and even integrate Square Appointments with other apps and services. One thing that is important to remember is the reporting features. Square Appointments provides detailed reports on your appointments, sales, and client activity. This data can help you track your performance, identify areas for improvement, and make informed business decisions. You can view reports on your top-selling services, your busiest times, and your most valuable clients. Now, let's address some common questions. What about no-shows? Square Appointments allows you to set up no-show fees, which can help deter clients from missing their appointments. You can also require clients to provide a credit card when booking, which provides an extra layer of security. What about cancellations? Square Appointments allows you to set up cancellation policies, which can help protect your business from last-minute cancellations. You can also allow clients to reschedule their appointments online, which can help reduce the number of cancellations. What about multiple locations? Square Appointments supports multiple locations, allowing you to manage appointments for all of your locations from a single account. This is ideal for businesses with multiple branches or franchises. What about mobile access? Square Appointments is fully mobile-friendly, allowing you to manage your appointments from your smartphone or tablet. This is ideal for businesses that are on the go. What about integrations? Square Appointments integrates with a variety of other apps and services, including Google Calendar, Instagram, and Facebook. This allows you to connect your Square Appointments account with your existing tools and workflows. One of the most important things to consider when using Square Appointments is your online presence. Make sure your booking website is professional and easy to navigate. Use high-quality photos and write clear and concise service descriptions. You should also promote your online booking website on your social media pages and in your email marketing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.